They are the twins of the English language, carrying the same weight, but never standing in the same spot. Choosing between also and to isn't about what you mean. It's about changing the rhythm of your voice. The primary difference is geography. Also is a middle child. It likes to stay close to the action, usually right before the verb. I also like coffee. It feels integrated, professional. But to, that's an afterthought. It waits until you've finished your point to add that extra spark. I like coffee too. It's the punctuation mark of connection. There's a hidden music here. To is the language of conversation. It's light and friendly. Also is the language of the presentation. It's deliberate. If you put them in the wrong place, the rhythm breaks. Also is the anchor. To is the echo. Next time you add an extra thought, ask yourself, do I want to build it into the sentence? Or do I want to let it ring at the end